Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 gaming laptop. It is powered by the Intel Core i7-11800H 11th Gen processor. It also carries the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card with 4GB of VRAM. Additionally, this laptop also has 8GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD space, and this current variant is grey in color. Let's quickly show what other information is available on the box. There is not much. Over here you have some manufacturer information and all the different codes, and we have some information over here. I'll give you a closer look. That's as close we can get. Over here it's written, there you can see now. Yes, so this particular laptop comes with Intel i7-11800H, as I mentioned earlier. Also has 1 TB of HDD space, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and also has what other things do we have? VRAM. Yes, VRAM of 4 GB, and does not mention the graphics card, but it's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 GB of VRAM. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. These are the components of the box. This is a there's a thank you note, a warranty note actually from ASUS. Okay, and this is the user guide for the TUF Gaming F15 gaming laptop. And this is also a quick installation or a quick setup guide for the same. These are your laptop charger and cable. This is the power cable that comes with the adapter. And speaking of adapter, this is the 180 watt charging adapter that comes with this particular laptop. This is the 180 watt charging adapter from ASUS. There you can see it. There you go. Now let's take a look at the laptop itself. ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop, and there you go. It's written TUF Gaming right over here. There's also TUF written over here, and this is the logo. This is the gray variant. It has this metallic body. Underneath there are 4 anti-slip rubber stops, and you will also notice the fans right over here. There's some ports on each side. On this side you have a USB-A port, and these are the fans. Over here you have some more ports. Over here you have, okay, this is a LAN port, HDMI port, 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C, and a 3.5mm port. At the back you have some more vents that you can see. Now let's take a look inside the laptop, and there we are. This is what it looks like. This is the keyboard for the ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop. This is a full keyboard. As you can see, it comes with a numpad and directional keys. Also, the WASD button has a different design because obviously it's a gaming laptop. And over here it mentions that this particular laptop carries the Intel Core i7 processor. There you can see. It's also Wi-Fi 6 certified, has a second SSD slot, dual 83 blade fans, two-way all noise cancellation, or RGB, and military grade build. So yeah, this is a very solid build. And this is the monitor. It's switched off right now. I'm going to switch it on. There you go, it's switched on now. Immediately notice the breathing RGB LED lights that starts. We have display right now. So this is the 15.6 inch FHD display that comes with this particular laptop, and once again you will notice that the RGB lights are glowing. You can control it from here. So these are using the function keys and the directional keys, you can change them. So this is to increase the brightness of the keyboard, this is to decrease the brightness of the keyboard. There you go, I've increased it. This is full brightness, and you can cycle through the different profiles, and you will also notice it reflects on the monitor as well, that when you cycle through the different profiles it changes the profile color settings. Right now it's strobing. This is the color cycle. This is static, just no breathing whatsoever, and this is your breathing LED profile. So yeah, there you go. This is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 laptop powered by the Intel Core i7 11th Gen processor. Thank you for watching.